If you have ever been stuck on the road with a flat tire, you already know how stressful and time-consuming it can be. That is exactly why choosing the best portable tire inflators in 2026 has become more important than ever. Modern inflators are faster, smarter, and far more compact, giving you the power to handle emergencies with confidence. Today, we break down 5 outstanding options that deliver reliability, convenience, and strong performance when you need them most. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 1. Air Moto Tire Inflator. The Air Moto Tire Inflator stands out as a highly reliable and efficient tool designed for drivers who want strong performance in a compact package. This inflator earns the top spot because it blends power, ease of use, and smart functions that make tire maintenance quicker and less stressful. The device is lightweight, simple to store, and built with practical features that help you handle daily needs or unexpected situations on the road. One of the first things users appreciate is how easy it is to operate. The design is straightforward and works well even for beginners, making it a perfect choice for anyone who wants a dependable inflator without complicated steps. The digital pressure gauge provides clear readings, helping you fill tires accurately without guesswork. You can keep track of air levels at a glance, making the process smoother everywhere you go. The Air Moto truly shines with features that increase its practicality. Its cordless design adds freedom of movement, allowing you to reach car tires, motorcycle tires, bicycles, or sports equipment without being restricted by cable length. You can use it in tight spaces or during late-night emergencies thanks to its built-in light. This makes roadside use much easier and safer. The air pump also includes an auto shutoff function, which helps prevent overinflation and reduces the chances of manual error. The Air Moto offers a balanced blend of strong airflow, user-friendly controls, accurate digital measurements, and a portable build. These strengths make it suitable for everyday drivers, travelers, parents, and outdoor enthusiasts. Number 2. Astro Eye Tire Inflator with Cord. The Astro Eye Tire Inflator with Cord is a solid and dependable choice for anyone wanting a practical inflator that plugs directly into a 12-volt power supply. What makes this model appealing is its consistent performance and simple design, which makes it easy to handle during routine tire checks or unexpected roadside needs. It is built with convenience in mind, giving drivers confidence through stable power delivery and reliable inflation speeds. The long power cord makes it easy to reach all tires without struggling to reposition your vehicle. This thoughtful detail ensures comfort and ease when handling larger cars or working in driveways or parking spaces. The digital pressure gauge offers clear readings, helping you keep track of the pressure while filling tires with accuracy. This gives users greater control and confidence throughout the process. Another advantage is its emergency light, which greatly improves visibility when you need to inflate tires at night or during bad weather. This practical function is especially valuable for travelers and daily commuters who want dependable support in unexpected situations. The inflation process is strong enough to manage car tires, bike tires, balls, and other small items, making it a versatile companion for different daily needs. Beyond its convenience, the Astro Eye Inflator focuses on delivering a consistent user experience without unnecessary complications. The stable power from the 12-volt outlet ensures the device runs efficiently without sudden drops in performance. This reliability sets it apart from fully cordless models that can lose charge over time. Number 3. R8 Tire Inflator. The R8 Tire Inflator is designed for users who want speed, clarity, and reliability wrapped into one convenient tool. This model is known for its fast inflation capability, making it an excellent choice for drivers who value efficiency and want to minimize downtime during roadside or home tire maintenance. It is built to deliver stable performance across a variety of inflating tasks, including car tires, bike tires, balls, and more. The standout feature that sets the R8 apart is its large dual digital screen. The expanded display provides clear and easy-to-read information, helping you track real-time pressure without needing to bend down or squint. This makes the process smoother for users of all ages. The screen allows you to monitor both preset and current pressure levels, offering a more controlled and accurate filling experience. Another aspect that strengthens the R8 is its strong airflow, which helps achieve noticeably quicker inflation times. This makes it especially convenient for people who frequently travel, drive long distances, or need to manage multiple tires. The device connects easily to a 12-volt outlet, providing consistent power output that supports steady inflation without interruption. The R8 model is also user-friendly in terms of portability. The compact design allows you to store it in your trunk, glove box, or backpack without taking up unnecessary space. Combined with its durable build, it is a practical choice for emergencies or regular maintenance. Number 4. Astro Eye L7 Tire Inflator. The Astro Eye L7 Tire Inflator is a reliable, cordless option designed for users who appreciate mobility, compact size, and modern digital features. It is small enough to fit comfortably in a backpack or glove compartment, making it a strong companion for cyclists, commuters, and everyday drivers. Despite its compact structure, it delivers impressive performance suitable for both emergency use and regular tire checks. The L7 includes a clear dual values digital display, which allows you to easily view both preset and current pressure readings in real time. This accurate display helps you manage air levels with confidence, especially when working in dim environments or outdoor conditions. Its built-in light adds another layer of convenience, supporting nighttime use or low visibility scenarios. The major advantage is its cordless operation. With no power cable required, users enjoy complete freedom of movement, making it simple to reach tight spaces or move around larger vehicles without restrictions. This mobility is especially useful for cyclists and motorcyclists who want an easy way to maintain proper tire pressure on the go. The device is engineered to offer steady performance across multiple inflating needs. Its compact size makes it quick to set up, store, and transport, while its built-in pressure gauge ensures accurate filling every time. It supports everyday convenience while still delivering strong reliability. The Astro Eye L7 provides a great balance through its portable, cordless design, a dual values digital display, a bright built-in light, and accurate pressure control. Number 5. User Tire Inflator. The User Tire Inflator is built for users who want a balance of speed, portability, and simplicity. Its compact cordless structure makes it especially easy to carry and operate, whether you're maintaining tire pressure at home or dealing with unexpected roadside situations. It is designed for quick response and dependable performance across various inflating tasks, including car tires, motorcycle tires, bicycles, or sports equipment. One of its strongest advantages is its fast inflation ability. This quick working design supports swift results, making it ideal for drivers who value time efficiency and convenience. The digital gauge provides clear readings throughout the process, helping you keep track of pressure levels with accuracy. This straightforward interface allows even beginners to handle tire inflation comfortably.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.